Very good afternoon to one and all. I welcome you all for the next lecture of Production Operation Management. Kindly let me know whether my voice is audible and can you see my presentation?
Yes, sir.
Great. So in the previous lectures, we have started discussion on types of a production. In that we have seen the first type as a make to stock and second type is make to order. Okay. So we have taken some write-up parts related to make to order production. So in make to order production, the production will start after the receipt of confirm order from the customer side. Okay. So these products are special purpose products. Sometimes we can say that it is having high cost and it its specifications are decided by the customer only. And because of that, we should go for make to order type of a production. Okay. So in today's lecture, we will finish this write-up part, situation for make to order production and the characteristics of make to order production. Then we'll go for make to assemble type of a production. Okay. So write down situations for make to order production. Situations for make to order production. Situations for make to order production. First point, products are manufactured to customer. Products are manufactured to customer specifications. Products are manufactured to customer specifications. Second one, customer can wait. Customer can wait. Customer can wait till the order is being processed. Customer can wait till the order is being processed. In bracket, long delivery schedule. In bracket, long delivery schedule. Next, product is non-standard. Product is non-standard and expensive to store. Product is non-standard and expensive to store. Product is non-standard and expensive to store. When there are several options available to store. Several options. Which are the several options? Standard tools, then a standard raw material, okay, and standard components of main product. So these are the several options that can be stored, but the final product or finished goods cannot be stored. Okay, and after getting the order from customer, then only we have to start the work on the product. Okay, so when there are several options available to store. Okay, so this is the situation for make to order production. The next, characteristics of make to order. 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 In that first point, there is a direct interaction with customer. There is direct interaction with customer during all the stages. There is direct interaction with customer during all the stages, but it is extensive. But it is extensive but it is extensive during engineering phase. During engineering phase. Next point, manufacturer quotes delivery schedule. Manufacturer quotes delivery schedule and price. Manufacturer quotes delivery schedule and price. And there is a discussion oblique negotiation. We can say that the discussion is always fruitful between the customer and uh, the producer. The customer want to negotiate the price. Customer want to negotiate the delivery schedule. So, and there is a discussion oblique negotiation among the customer and producer. Next, capacity requirements planning. Capacity requirements planning and shop floor control are critical. Capacity requirements planning and shop floor controls are critical. And the distribution is less complicated. Distribution means what? Distribution of workload, because in make to order production we know that the skill set requirement is very much high, and each and every product is different one. So it will challenge the skills of worker, it will challenge the skills of engineers. So because of that, the specialty people are working in such a companies. Okay, specialty or expertise people are working in such industries. So the distribution, if there is a work related to design, then it will goes to the design department. If there is any work related to welding, then it will be assigned to the welding person. Okay, if it is work related to the special purpose things, then it will be assigned to the specific person only. So work distribution is not that much critical in make to order production type. Okay, so capacity requirement planning is enormous, or we can say that it is very much difficult. We cannot predict the capacity of such a companies, because in one of the month you will get the large order, and in the second month you will not get any of the order. Okay, so like that will be happen. And how much production will be or how much products can industry produce, that will depends on the difficulty level of a product or engineering requirement of that product. So each product is different one. So how much we cannot predict how much time requirement for different products, and on that basis we cannot predict the capacity of production or capacity of such a make to order industries or production type. Okay, so write down capacity requirement planning and shop floor control are critical, and distribution is less complicated. Distribution is less complicated. Distribution is less complicated. Or write down the third type, assemble to order. Assemble to order. Assemble to order. Assemble to order. Okay, so concentrate now. What is meant by assemble to order? And what is the situation when one can go for assemble to order? So I want to give one example over here, so you will get better understand. You will understand better this particular point. Okay, so take consider that you visited one of the dealer uh, who is selling Dell computer. Okay, or Dell laptop. Okay, so you have something, you have searched something that the costing near about 50,000. I will take that laptop. Okay, the cost of laptop should be near to the 50,000, and for that reason I required 4 GB RAM, i7 processor, then one mouse, one keyboard, then 2 GB graphics card. Okay, so these are your specifications. Okay, these are your specifications. Then you will provide your specification to the dealer, and dealer, what will do dealer? If if it is a standard one, whatever specifications are provided is a standard specification, then no problem, it will provided from the shelf only. Okay, the laptop will be provided to you from the shelf only. But you have suggested that in that laptop only I want 64 GB RAM or 16 GB RAM, I'm saying more than. Okay, so 16 GB RAM, and it is already having this 8 GB RAM. Then what will happen? So RAM is available already, okay, as a finished good in the deliver in the shop. Okay, and within he will, or that person will said to you that give me one day, I will I will uh, remove out the old RAM, and I will keep provide you the new RAM. Okay, whose capacity is 16 GB, 64 GB. So like that. Now here the finished goods are available. Okay, finished goods are available, but their assembly is not completed. Okay, so here the scope with the customer that he can choose the the combination. Okay, he can choose the combination. Like if you want to purchase the PC, so combination is if you want to purchase the desktop and PC or computer, so the combination of mouse, combination of keyboard, then combination of desktop, then combination of PC. In that PC also the processor, RAM, all that combinations. So the choice is with you, and you have to select the specific choice. But what is important? The products, whatever the choice is given to the customer, that choice is available with the dealer in the form of a finished goods. Okay, so the uh, the mouse, the keyboard, the PC is already available with the dealer. Okay, so whatever the selection coming from customer side, so that selection will be combined by the dealer. Okay, so assembly of that selection will be prepared by the dealer or the shopkeeper, and that combination will be provided to you. Okay, that combination will be provided to you. So finished goods assembly is made at a dealer location. Okay, and these products are already available, means the specific parts are already available as a finished products, but more option with the customer, and because of that more options, the customer will select the option, and the dealer will prepare the assembly, okay, accordingly. So what is the advantage of this particular thing? That is nothing but the delay time. Okay, so in make to order production, what is happening? Once the order is given to the customer, then the manufacturing will start. But in assembly to order production, what is happening? The standard components are already present over there, and choice is provided to the customer. Okay, choice is provided to customer to select your specification. Okay, to select your specification, and accordingly that components are assembled in the product, and the finished product or the final product will be delivered to the customer. Okay, will be delivered to the customer. So that is the important point of a assembled to order production. Okay, so what is the advantage here? The lead time between the order placed by the customer and shipment of a finished product to the customer is reduced as compared to the make to order production. Okay, as the products are already present in the finished format, just need to assemble that products. Okay, as a or combination of one product. Another example I want to give that when you visited to the car showroom for purchasing a new car. Okay, so there are variety of models available in a specific car only. Okay, so let us say you want to purchase XUV 500. Okay, Mahindra XUV 500. So in that XUV 500 also, top model is there, lower model is there, middle model is there. Okay, so variety of models are available in one specification of that particular company or one product of that company. So what are the differences? In one of the model, the rear camera will not be there. One of the model, only one airbag is there. In one of the model, two airbags are there. In one of the model, three airbags are there. But who perform that things to add up the airbags, to add up the sound system in the car, okay, to add up the mag wheels to the car wheels. Okay, so these are the finished goods: mag wheel, then airbags, then sound system. These are finished products. Okay, specific finished products. These products are available with the dealer. Okay, and once the order is placed, or we can say that order is given by the customer to the dealer, at that time that dealer will say to the customer that give me 5 days time period, according to your specification I will modify the car and I will provide it to that card on the 5th day. Okay, on 5th day. So what work has done by the dealer? He just added the airbags, more airbags. If the requirement of more airbags for the customer, then he added the airbags, then he added the sound system, then he added the bumpers, then he added the mag wheels according to the requirement. Okay, so accordingly the price will get vary. Okay, accordingly the car price will get vary. Okay, so these two example will showcase you what is meant by assemble to order production. Okay, what is meant by assemble to order production? Okay, so when number of alternative combinations or options with available is available to customer, and customer is not ready to wait until the product is made. Okay, example: automobiles, consumer electronics and computers. Then manufacturers produce and stock standard components, parts, and when the customer places the order, the manufacturer does the assembly from the parts and components selected. Okay. Since the components are manufactured and stocked, the only time is needed before delivering the product to the customer. The assembly to order system aims to combine product customizations oblique varieties of make to order system with low cost and shorter lead time. Okay, so this is the sub part of a make to order only, but here the assembly parts or the specific parts of final products are already in the form of a finished goods. The manufacturer will deliver the finished goods by combining the choices of the customer. Okay, by combining the choices of the customer. So in the make to order production, what is happening? The lead time is more. Okay, and that lead time is reduced by assemble to order production. Okay, that lead time will be reduced by assemble to order production. Okay, so whether you understood what is meant by assemble to order production? Whether you understood what is meant by assemble to order production, let me know.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, great. So can you write down these points? Assemble to order. Third type of a production, assemble to order. Assemble to order. First point. First point. When number of alternative combinations, when number of alternative combinations or options, when number of alternative combinations or options is available to customer, is available to customer, and customer is not ready to wait, and customer is not ready to wait, and customer is not ready to wait until product is made. Until product is made. Example, automobiles, automobiles in the two-wheeler also. Okay, you want the rear camera. Okay, rear mirrors. Okay, you want rear mirrors. So with bike there will not be a mirrors available, that will be assembled at the dealer location only. So rear is one finished product. Okay, and it is a it will be assembled to the bike once the order will placed from your side. Okay, so yes, I want mirrors. Okay, so then only it will be assembled to your bike. Okay, then what is that, number plate is not available. Okay, with the bike. Okay, that number plate will be provided from the dealer side. So extra number plate will be provided to the customer from the dealer side when you will place the order to the dealer or the manufacturer, anything else. Okay, so example, automobiles, consumer electronics and computers. Automobiles, consumer electronics and computers. Next point, produce, manufacturers produce, manufacturers produce and stock, manufacturers produce and stock standard components, manufacturers produce and stock standard components, standard component parts, and and when the customer places and when the customer places and when the customer places the order and when the customer places the order, the manufacturer does the assembly, the manufacturer does the assembly from the parts oblique components, from the parts oblique components, from the parts oblique components selected, from the parts oblique components selected. Okay, next point. Since the components are manufactured, since the components are manufactured and stocked, since the components are manufactured and stocked, comma, the only time is needed, the only time is needed before delivering the product to the customer. Okay, here the sentence problem. Here, since the components are manufactured and stocked, comma, assembly time, after comma you can write assembly time, the only time is needed. Okay, assembling time, the only time is needed, assembling time, the only time is needed before delivering product to the customer. Assembling time, the only time is needed before delivering product to the customer. So advantage of this make two assemble to order is the assemble to order system aims to combine assembly to order system aims to combine product customization aims to combine product customization oblique variety of make to order system of make to order system with low cost and shorter lead time with low cost and shorter lead time. Assemble to order system aims to combine product customization oblique variety product customization oblique variety of make to order system with low cost and shorter lead time and shorter lead time and shorter lead time. Okay, or so next you can make one table for the comparison between make to stock, make to order and assemble to order. Okay, so column should be in this manner: serial number, particulars, then make to stock, then make to order and assemble to order. Okay, so we have discussed about these three types of a production type, and we are comparing these three types for the 8 particulars. Okay, for the 8 particulars. So first one is product range. Okay, make to stock. In make to stock production, the products are standardized one. So the low range or low variety with the make to stock production. Okay, in make to order production, okay, there is no standardization in make to order production, as the products are manufactured on the basis of a customer requirement. So in make to order production, product range is very high. Okay, very high. Then assemble to order production, or we in that also, this is the sub part of a make to order production only. So in that case also, more options are available with the customer according to their choice. The products are assembled. Okay, so its product range will be in between medium up to high. Okay, some cases it will be medium, some cases it will be considered as a high product range. Okay, then production volume. Okay, so production volume, as in make to stock production, the products are standardized one. Okay, so the volume is number of components produced or number of final product produced. So that is nothing but volume of any product. So in make to stock production, the standardized products are there, so the volume of a production is very much high. In make to order production, volume of a product is very low, and in assemble to order type of a production, its range in between medium to low, so that we can say that it will be considered as a volume of assemble to order production type of a production is medium. Okay, then lead time. So the products are stored for the delivery in make to stock production, so the lead time is very less. Okay, then in make to order type of production, after confirmation of order, the production will start. So the in make to order type of production, the lead time is higher one. Okay, and in assemble to order type of production, after selecting or after providing the choice by the customer, the assembly is prepared. So some time is required to assemble the product, so that time will be considered as a medium lead time. Okay, medium lead time. So is there any customer producer interface? So this is the particular thing. Customer producer interface means what? Whether customer can interact with the producer or not. So in make to stock production, there is a limited interaction, and that will be through the delivery channel. Okay, that will be through their dealers, their retailers. Okay, the direct contact will not happen in between customer and the producer in make to stock type of a production. So in make to order type of production, it's a complete choice of a customer only. customer can uh, uh, provide the specification, and there is a extensive discussion between customer and the producer, and then only the final product will be produced. So high at a sales and design level. Okay, high at a sales and design level in a make to stock type of a production. Extensive at design level also, and after providing the product, as the cost of the product is very much high. Okay, so if any fault will happen, then after selling also the feedback can be accepted from the customer side by the producer. But in assemble to order type of production, the interaction will happen at a sales level only, because the products are already assembly components are already manufactured, and they have these assembly components are showcased to the customer. Customer only need to select the particular component from the showcase, okay, or from the available component. So the interaction between producer and the customer will be higher at the sales level. Okay, at the sales level. Then handling of fluctuation in demand. Okay, handling of fluctuation in demand. How the fluctuation in demand can be handled by the producer. Okay, so in make to stock type of a production, this handling will be done at an inventory level. If the demand raises, then the safety stock is maintained by such a make to stock type of a production. Okay, now how it will be handled by the make to order type of production. Here the products are manufactured after the customer order. So what things in the in this type of a production, only to maintain the raw material inventory. Okay, raw material inventories, whatever the raw materials required or the sub parts required, standardized parts required to manufacture the final products after receipt of a order from the customer. So that storage or the inventory can be maintained by the producer in make to order type of production. So planning of a excess capacity and raw material stocks. So in assemble to order production, in this part, planning of a standard module parts, whatever the standard parts or the assembly components that can be stored to cope up with the fluctuation in demand in the market. Okay, then basic of a planning. What is the basis of a planning for each type of a production? So here end item forecasting. What is meant by end item forecasting? Their delivery channel will forecast the things, or the delivery channel will provide the information about the demand of a product in the market to the company. Okay, and that will be the basis for planning for make to stock type of a products. Okay, in make to order type of products, how one can decide the planning, or what will be the basis for planning. Backlogs means what? Previous time period, whatever the orders are pending, that orders will be considered as a backlog. And marketing intelligence reports will tell about the forecasting of that type of products in the market to the company. Then in assemble to order type of a production, here also backlogs, whatever the backlogs are available or the pending orders are available, that will showcase the demand of the product in the market, and also the trend analysis. What is the trend in the market? Okay, now which types of laptops purchased by the customer, uh, what is trending in the market, that trend analysis also prepared by the market analyst, and that will be considered as a basis of a planning for the assemble to order type of a production. Then inventory level. In make to stock type of a product, large number of components are produced and stocked, so inventory level is very much high. In make to order type of a products, no inventory is available. One can say that low inventory is there. And in assemble to order type of production, major parts inventory will be produced and kept to tackle the fluctuation in demand. Then product category. Okay, the cost, and we can say that variety of a product. Okay, so that will be tackled by this particular product, that is product category. In make to stock production, we know that the products are standard products, and the cost of by producing large volume of a product, the cost of the product will get deduced. So in make to stock type of products are standard one with a low cost, whereas in make to order type of a product variety is very much high. Okay, special product, high variety with high cost, as these products are manufactured specific according to the specification provided by customer. The cost of a product will consider to be very high. Here in assemble to order type of a product, sub assembly cost is very high. Okay, sub assembly cost is very high. Okay, uh, like we can say that the RAM cost, graphics card cost, uh, in two four wheelers we can say that the cost of a sound system, the cost of a bumpers, the cost of a mag wheels, the cost of airbags. Okay, so this cost is very high. So in assemble to order type of production, sub assembly cost is very much high. Okay, so this is the comparison for 8 particulars for 3 types of a production. Okay, for 3 types of a production. Is there any doubt, any question in this point? So I suggest you write down all the points, make 5 columns, one for serial number, second one for particulars, third one for make to stock, fourth one for make to order, and fifth one for assemble to order. Assemble to order. So on each particular, you can prepare at least one question. Okay. So serial number 1, particular is product range. Product range. Low, high, medium, high. Medium oblique high. Product range, low, high, medium oblique high. First particular is product range, make to stock, low, make to order, high, assemble to order, medium oblique high. Second one, production volume. Production volume. Production volume. Make to stock, high, make to order, low, assemble to order, medium. Then lead time. Lead time. Lead time. Make to stock, low, make to order, high, assemble to order, medium. Lead time, low, high, medium. Then fourth particular is customer producer interface. Customer producer interface. Customer producer interface. In make to stock production, limited. In make to order production, high at sales and design level, and in make assemble to order high at sales level, high at sales level. Then fifth one, handling of fluctuation in demand, handling of fluctuation in demand, handling of fluctuation in demand. How the fluctuation in demand or the rise in demand in the market can be handled by this production system, production types. Okay, handling of fluctuation in demand. So in make to stock production, uh, companies kept safety stock or maintain their safety stock. Companies maintain their safety stocks of a product units, safety stock of a product units. In make to order, planning of excess capacity and raw material stock. Planning of excess capacity and raw material stock. Planning of excess capacity and raw material stock. Then assembly to order, planning of standard modules, oblique parts or parts, module parts, planning of standard module parts, standard module parts. Sixth one, basis of a planning. Basis means on which basis you are going to plan the production. Okay, how much quantity we need to produce. Okay, in which month how much quantity we have to produce. That is nothing but basis of a planning. So in one day how much quantity we can produce and how much quantity we have to produce. Okay, आपण किती प्रोड्यूस करू शकतो आणि आपले आपण किती प्रोड्यूस केली पाहिजे त्यासाठीचं लागणार प्लॅनिंग ला आपल्याला बेसिस काय आहे. ओके, किंवा इनपुट काय आहे त्या प्लॅनिंग साठी. ओके, सो हिअर end item forecasting. So in make to stock production, this input will be provided by end dealers or the delivery channel which is in contact with the customer. So end item forecasting. In make to order production, ऑर्डर किती पेंडिंग आहेत, बॅकलॉग्स. ओके, ऑर्डर किती पेंडिंग राहिले आहेत त्या तो एक बेसिस असू शकतो. आणि मार्केटिंग इंटेलिजन्स रिपोर्ट. ओके, that will be considered as a basis for make to order type of a production. Backlogs and marketing intelligence reports. Then assemble to order type of production basis of planning is backlogs and trend analysis. Backlogs and trend analysis. Once again, backlogs means pending orders and trend analysis means what is going on in the market and how much percentage growth is there in that segment or in that product in the market. Means this year the demand is increased by 5%, next year demand is increased by 6%, next year demand is increased by 10%. So the trend is positive one. Let us consider that the demand of particular product is decreased by 1%, next year it is decreased by 2%, next year it is decreased by 3%, then the trend is negative. Okay, so that will be the trend analysis. Trend analysis. Trend analysis. Seventh one, inventory level. Inventory level. So inventory level is high in case of make to stock production, then in make to order production low, and assemble to order type of production major part inventory or sub assembly parts inventory, assembly components inventory, major parts inventory. Then product category. Next one, eighth one is product category. Eighth one is product category. In make to stock product, at make to stock production type, products are standard products, and due to its high volume production, the cost is low. Standard products with low cost. Standard products with low cost. Standard products with low cost. In make to order products, special product, high variety with high cost. Each product is special one and non-standardized one. So variety is very much high, and the cost is low. The cost is also very high. And assembly to order type of production, variety is in sub assemblies, or we can say that the assembly components are there. The variety is in that component only. Okay, so the mouse, we can say that the computer mouse. So variety of a computer mouse. Okay, the cable is connected with the PC, or cable is not connected with the PC. Bluetooth operated. Okay, internet operated. Then the category is Acer company, Dell company, Apple company. So variety is in sub assemblies. Okay, variety is in a sub assemblies, and cost is also high. High cost. Product cost is also high. Okay, so I hope everyone understood this comparison, and this comparison will help you to understand better these three types of a production. These three types of a production. Getting everyone? Okay. So next is, now we have seen types of a production. Okay. Now we have to discuss about the types or the classification of a production system. Okay. So sometime we can say that these types of a production, that is make to order, make to stock, and assemble to order. Okay, these three types also impacted on the selection of a production system. Okay, which production system we need to implement at a work location. So that selection of a production system will become through or it is coming from the type of a production. Okay, now this production system or the selection of a production system, it is largely depend upon the volume of a production. Okay, it is largely depend upon the volume of a production and the variety of a products. Okay, variety of a products available for the customer. Okay, so accordingly we have to select the production system. So there are four types of a production system. One is a job shop type of a production system, second one is a batch type of a production system, third one is a mass type production system or mass production system, and fourth one is a continuous production system. So these four systems we have to study. Okay, we have to study. Now here you will come to know how the variation in production system will happen on the basis of volume or the finished good product quantity and product variety. Okay, on the basis of volume and variety. Okay, so on x-axis you can see the product variety, output oblique product variety, and on y-axis you can see the production oblique operation volume. Okay, now we will start from the corner side. Okay, we'll start from the corner side. So this is the job shop production. Job shop production means what? As make to order production, where variety is very low, variety is very the components are manufactured on the basis of customer requirement. So similarly, in job shop production, this type of a production is implemented. Make to order type of a production is implemented. So in job shop production, the variety is very high. Okay, variety. It is away from 0 point. So here we can say that variety of a job shop production is very much high. Whereas if you compare with the y-axis, the volume of a production is very low. Okay, variety high, volume low. Variety high, volume low. Then in batch type of a production, variety is slightly decreased. Variety is slightly decreased, but volume is increased. Okay, volume is increased. So in batch type of a production or batch type of a production system having volume more than job shop production and variety less than job shop production. So if you shift to the mass type of a production where variety is decreased and volume of a production is increased. Volume of a production is increased. So mass type of a production system having volume greater than batch type of a production system and job shop type of a production system. Then further, if you compare with the continuous, next type is continuous production system, whereas the products are produced continuously whose volume is very much high than the mass type of a production system and its variety is very low. Okay, variety is very low. If you compare with the x-axis, here we can say that the variety is very low. Okay, variety is low, very low. So as we are moving from job shop production to the continuous production, the volume of a production goes on increasing. The volume of a production goes on increasing, whereas the variety of a products goes on decreasing. So as we are moving from job shop production to the continuous production, the standardization of a products will happen in the industries. Okay, when you can go for the greater volume, when the products are standardized one, then and then only we will produce that product in a large quantity. So we can say that in job shop production, non-standardized products are used or produced, and in continuous production standardized products are produced. So in continuous production you will get large quantity of products, or volume of the production is very much high. Is very much high. Getting everyone? Is there any doubt, any question in classification of a production system? Whether you understood? Okay, so let it be. So write down classification of a production system. Classification of a production system. Classification of a production system. In that, write down first point. The production activities. The production activities. The production activities. The production activities are classified according to the volume of production. Production activities are classified according to the volume of production. According to the volume of production. In bracket, volume is quantity, number of products. Volume of production in bracket, quantity. In bracket, quantity. And product standardization. And product standardization. And product standardization. First classification is job shop production. Job shop production. Job shop production. Second one is batch production. Second one is batch production. Second one is batch production. Third one is mass production. Third one is mass production. Third one is mass production, and last one is fourth one is continuous production. Continuous production. Continuous production. Okay, or so you draw this diagram so that we will save some time from the next lecture. Draw this diagram. And meanwhile, you can ask the question if you have any doubt, any question, you can ask. Okay, so time up now. If you have drawn the diagram, then you can put up your roll numbers in the chat box, and you can leave this meeting. Remaining student, just put up your roll number in the chat box and leave this meeting. 78, 49, 50, 40, 73, 17, 70.